Hi guys, how are you doing? So today I'm going to talk about this new app where you can learn Korean and Japanese for free. And yes, it's for free, so you guys can use it daily to improve your Japanese and Korean. Okay, so to download this app, go to Play Store and type Teuida. What I love the most about this app is that they only use speaking method. They don't use anything other than speaking. So why don't you try it, right? So far, everything has been great because it only pushes you to speak the language that you're learning. So if you're learning Japanese, they encourage you to speak in Japanese. If you're learning Korean, and they encourage you to speak in Korean. And this is what the contents look like once you open the app. And they also offer a free student key, which you can use to unlock some premium contents in this app. So guys, why don't you try it? And don't forget to drop your comments about this app. Thank you for watching. See you with another amazing video like this.